Hi and welcome back to Alisas Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a shrimp Alfredo sauce. Can't wait, it's simple and easy and you're gonna love it. Let's get to it. Okay, first we're gonna have a tablespoon of butter and we're gonna put it in the pan because we're gonna cook up our shrimp. I've rinsed off and drained the shrimp, so let's just add it already. We're going to season the shrimp with just a little salt and pepper. And keep cooking it until it's completely cooked through. Okay, our shrimp is done. I'm just going to pour it into this bowl and set it to the side. Alright, so the shrimp's done. I also pre-cooked the noodles because once I start this sauce, there's no turning back. You gotta keep stirring it and adding stuff and you won't have time to make the noodles. So, let's add a half cup of butter and 3 teaspoons of garlic. Whoop. That was awkward. Okay, so get all the butter melted. So this will take a little bit of time on medium heat. Just melt it over medium heat. Get that garlic going. Oh, the garlic already smells so good. This is such a simple recipe, you're gonna love it. And it tastes just as good as Olive Garden. I'm just saying. Now you're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. And once you add this cream, you have to keep stirring. Stir, stir, stir. You want to stir and heat the cream for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that you've let the cream simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to start adding the cheese. We have 1.5 cups of Asiago cheese, so just dump it all in there. And again, you got to keep stirring. And 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. Just keep stirring. You're going to stir and stir, and this is going to come to a bubble. Get it bubbling up. And again, just keep it moving. You have to keep it moving. Look at all that cheese melting. It looks so good. This is such an easy, simple recipe, but always have everything prepared before, because like I said, you gotta keep stirring. Now that it's starting to bubble, and all the cheese is melted, we can add a little salt and pepper to taste. Mix it in. Now we can add our shrimp back in. Stir it up. Oh, doesn't that look so good? Oh, I can't wait to eat this. All right, and I'm also going to add just a little bit of parsley for color, because otherwise it's a little bland looking. And then this sauce is done. So simple, wasn't it? All right, I've scooped up my fettuccine noodles. Now to put the Alfredo sauce on. So creamy. I like to get lots of shrimp on my bowl. All right, and then let's just put a little more parsley on. Little parsley. All right, there we have it. Now time for the taste test. Okay, let's get some noodle. Oh, okay, I got some noodles. Now some shrimp. Now it's time to eat it. Mmm. It is so good. Mmm. It's rich and creamy and cheesy, and the shrimp tastes so good in it. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. The directions and the ingredients will be down below, so you can try it yourself. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.